Hello guys, how are you? Anyway, so today we are actually going to be doing our floors. Not today, but we're like getting prepared to do our floors. We won't be doing it till Saturday, so this will be like a prelude as to what we're going to be doing. So we have to pick up the carpet, clear out our room, and all that stuff. I know this is going to be a task, but I'm excited to see what it's going to look like. I wanted to vlog it so you guys can actually see what we're doing, and hopefully I'll get some good footage of that. But don't mind my appearance, you know, it's something. I'm getting used to this hair now. I'm getting used to it. But so yeah, are you guys excited? Are you guys like yay? For those who are interested in this type of stuff, maybe you can see what it looks like to do, if it's something you want to do with your house or whatever. So yeah, it's been a long time coming. We had like this ugly cream carpet. It was nice, you know, but when you have kids it gets ruined, so that's what happened. So we're getting that up, and I'm trying to decide if I want to do the stairs, but I'll show you guys that, you know, once we clear out the room and stuff, show you how big the area is, because it's our bedroom and we're going to be doing a hallway. I want to do the stairs, but it may be too much of a task, so we're going to leave that alone for now until, you know, I guess we decide that it doesn't look right and we actually want to do it. So let's go. Also, if you want to see more vlogs from me, you know, during this whole quarantine situation, just to see what we do or I do on a daily basis or on a whatever type of basis, on a quarantine basis, whatever you want to call it, let me know. All right, let's get started. I'm tired. So we were up till midnight, but I started after I got off work, which was 4-ish, about 4:30, and went straight into like demo mode. My hand is literally aching. Guys, we are done with the floor. We are currently painting our walls, and we gave it this nice gray color. we're not completely done. You see we still have the very top to do, and that'll be it. But yeah, it came out really nice, y'all. I'm like, so why isn't this thing focused? There we go. I'm so happy how these came out. My brother-in-law did very well. Very good. So of course, as you can see, we have all this tape and plastic around the trimming. We're gonna paint the trimming and the baseboards, just repaint them white, pretty much. That's the paint we'll be using. And then once we're done with that, then we'll be sweeping and wiping up the floor. And then we'll actually be able to move our stuff back in. But it's done. Alright guys, so real quick, as you can see, our floors are done and they look absolutely amazing. I am excited about how this all came out. Like, our room looks completely different and we haven't changed anything. Furniture, everything is still the same. We just moved around our I don't know what you call this. I don't know if it's an autumn or whatever, but pretty much that's where we keep our winter clothes. But it was right here and we just moved it by the window. It's a better look. And then we moved our Chester from here to here. So we just moved a couple pieces of furniture, but these floors look amazing. They're laminate, and yeah, they're like a dark wood. They were very inexpensive, y'all. So it looks very good. I'm so pleased with it. They are scratch resistant. It already came with the padding and we got it from Sam's. Yes, y'all, Sam's. So it definitely created I just put a rug there so when the girls get out the shower, then they step on that and they won't be slipping and sliding everywhere. But yeah, the hallway looks good. We're going to be doing the stairs next. We haven't completed the stairs. It still has the same carpet on it, so we're just waiting to do that project. But this was very tedious as far as the pre-doing everything, picking up the staples and all the stuff around and the padding, the old padding, all that. It was very tedious and straining on the body. But we painted our walls gray and it looks so good, y'all. Very good, and I am excited, and it just gave it a whole different look, a whole different feel, like I'm coming into a whole different room, and that has made me proud. So yeah, we painted these. It's a one coat Sherwin-Williams one coat base paint, I can't even talk, base paint, and yeah, it's like the matte finish, so it's flat. Yeah, we got it in a dark gray, not super dark, but yeah, I am excited. What do you guys think? Did we do good? Did we do good? But these floors, y'all, and even with my foot like touching them, it just feels like genuine. Like, you can't get splinters or anything like that, but yeah, I'm proud of this look. So this is the finished result of these floors. It took, let's see, we started Friday, got done Sunday. So it took a total of 3 days to get everything pulled up and then put everything down. We did the closets, we did all of that. And then these are this is our small hallway. We did the this is our linen closet that we did. Can't really see it, but yeah. It just looks so flawless. Like, I'm so proud of how this looks. So I can't wait to do the stairs to have a complete look. That'll be a different project that I show you guys, and yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. But this is our room. We are done, guys. Done. All right. Check you guys in the next video. Bye.